semuanya, kembali lagi di channel Mama Gesa, tempatnya kita berbagi cerita dari seluruh dunia. Dari mancanegara ada, dari Indonesia juga ada. Well, baru yang pertama kali bergabung di sini, jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, karena kalian akan mendapatkan cerita baru di setiap harinya. Oke, kita masih ada di series Jumbo, dan kali ini, as I promised before, seperti yang Mama Gesa janjikan berikutnya, sebelumnya, Mama Gesa akan lanjut dengan part 2 Jumbo Gang. Wow, siapa aja sih anggota dari geng Jumbo ini? Let's find out. The first one we have Nurman. Pasti ingat dong Nurman ya, yang lucu. Nah, ini early developmentnya. Ada juga another sketch. And finally this is it. Oke, alright. Setelah Nurman, ada juga Nurman's Notebook. One of Nurman's most apparent background stories in the film is his deep curiosity and eagerness to learn, despite the unfortunate reality that he doesn't have access to formal education. That's why he carries a notebook with him wherever he goes. Inside, he writes down all the new things he learns while playing with his two best friends. Jadi Nurman ini walaupun diceritakan ada anak yang kurang mampu, tapi dia punya semangat yang tinggi untuk belajar teman-teman. Lihatlah notebooknya ya, berisi semuanya very detail ya. Dia suka belajar walaupun terbatas secara ekonomi, tapi dia punya cara lain, apa tuh, dicatat semuanya ya. Oke, sangat kreatif and very knowledgeable. Berikutnya, sebelum embe-embe ada ini nih, masih dalam rangka Nurman lagi. Wow, dia pinter ya. Another character who completes Dawn. The next one is Mbak. Alright. Becoming the favorite, yay. Alright. So, one of the most attention-grabbing elements of Nurman's character is undeniably his grandfather's quotes. Mbak. This adorable companions quickly became a memorable highlight for many viewers. These three quotes also have a special spot at Fanny's heart. Since I was involved in exploring and designing them right from the start, it makes me grow fond of them along the way, he shared. Kita lihat lagi ya. Pasti sobat Mama Gesa tahu ya mana yang be. Alright. Lihat sketsanya. Lucu sekali. The next one is Mai. Every trio needs the thinker and the one with both brain and heart. For the Jumbo Gang, no one fills that role quite like Mai Saro or Mei gitu ya. Jadi dia diceritakan adalah seseorang yang strong, confident female character, someone who could potentially become a girl crush and a role model, especially for female viewers. Oke, nah ini sketnya Mei sebelumnya teman-teman. Wah, ini juga lucu sekali. Berikutnya ada Mary. Wah, pasti semuanya ingat kan sosok Mary ya? Mary, lihatlah sketsanya. Lalu ada juga Mary the Human Form. Dan ini Mary dalam cerita. Ada juga Atta. So children's stories in the stories are often portrayed as innocent and overly idealized. Ada juga their actions are mischief, are easily excused simply because they are just kids. Yeah, but we know that children are human too. They have many dimensions to their emotions. They can feel sadness, disappointment, and even jealousy, the side that is rarely shown in stories. That's why we have Atta in the story. Next, we have Acil. He is Atta's older brother, Abang Acil, gitu ya panggilannya. Plays a pivotal role in shaping Atta's motivations throughout the film. This is the service AA, Atta Acil. This is Workshop Acil. Atas Lightbox. Very detailed. It's very complex. And then of course radio. And this is overall. This is the Jumbo Gang headquarters. From the very first moment the Jumbo Gang's hideout appears on screen, it's clear that every corner radiates a sense of fun and adventure. The space was intentionally designed as a playground of interaction and self-expression for Don, Nurman, and Mai. You can see that. Headquarter interior. Oh, aduh. Seperti panggung ya. Corner wardrobe. There are props. And also Mai's radio. Mai's flute. And this is the Jumbo Gang assembly first draft. Ooh, look very serious. Well, Mama Gesa akan kembali dalam cerita Kampung Seru nih, ya. Jadi jangan kemana-mana, tetap stay tune di sini karena besok Mama Gesa akan kembali dengan cerita yang tidak kalah seru dan menarik lainnya. Oke, well, jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.